Just move it a little bit like this, but it's not really bad. I mean, let me go take it. Yeah, he's doing like a little bit, but it's not really.
Maybe I don't.
Maybe the wheel is dent too. That's one of those things. We're gonna take it out and just repair with the hubs ourselves. It doesn't work no more. Look at that. Put it back, put it tight, huh? Yeah, it's already busted all those things on there. So you can get it back there.
I'm very careful, and God saves me, you know?
Yeah.
Because it's 75 miles speed limit.
Right.
And I'm going on the left lane and left side door.
Wow. Is it Dexter?
Next time.
Yeah. Oh, this is grease, not oil. I thought I would put grease on it. So he's got it like different trailers?
He drives some semi truck.
Oh, okay.
5-car trailer.
Wow.
And have one more pickup truck.
Mm-hmm. Oh, man. That's tight, bro. That's a real tight, bro. But let's see if it looks like. I had to give him maintenance. Hot truck guys get it like a gooseneck regular trailers, and I give him maintenance. I'm thinking we're gonna put in my folder. Okay. But like I say, you need to be careful about this in case to then because it's crazy because it's already it still had a thickness pad on it, but it's already old brakes. That happened to old brakes. Not necessarily here's gonna be like the pad is gonna be make it smaller. But you need to check all the time when it makes the service, has the condition and the, if you get a crack and everything. When it started heated up, it started peeling up and they make a mess inside with the hubs. Hold on, let me see if it go a little bit. Oh, I don't find another hammer, bro. You know if you got any somewhere? I'll barely move it, bro. Hold on. Get it? Try to get it flush, bro, because they won't. Ready? Okay, hold on. Okay. Go back in. Get it flush, bro. Got it? Bro's in YouTube, bro. Okay. Get it? Okay. Let's see if we try to push it back with this one, bro. So what's the steps? Are you gonna get a lunch or not? Say wake up early today.
I gotta leave early.
Wake up early.
Oh yeah, he said he woke up at 4 o'clock.
Okay, put it right there. I wanted to get it flush. Got it?
You like I went back somewhere.
Huh?
Look like the hell I went back, huh?
I always get in a button the brakes. Damn, bro. I have to swing that thing on it. Oh, my fingers hurt, bro. Bite it in the brakes. I tried to release the brakes because the brakes right now is suspended. So the other one has come off because it's already used hubs and drums. You know, it's just, I mean, it's already a little bit more bigger the room inside. This is brand new, so that's what I hard to put it back on like that. And then, I mean, that's what I tried to release it. But I mean, the little bolt release in the backside with the brakes, it's hard, man. I tried to open it, but if you try like hard, if you break it, all the brake fluid is gonna go on, and I can put it back on. Wait. That's good. Let me go put that other one, the rest on it. Yeah, he's tired right now for the.
Okay, I go to all this.
14 ply. You don't release it, bro. Okay, it's loose. I mean, it's gonna be.
Put the cap on yet?
Huh?
Huh?
The what?
The cap.
No, I didn't put the cap yet. Me?
What?
The pepper towel. This. I just leave it over there by the $2, bro. Yeah. Well, because it's in the bottom with the bearing, you know. I thought it was dang. Okay. You know what? Oh, okay.
I was like, what the world?
Yeah.
So you gotta take all up, go behind that one.
Yeah, let's go behind this. I thought I want to grab it, put it on, bro, but I forgot. Where'd you get the paper towels?
Right.
You clean before I put it on. Let's see.
Nah, I think just have to do this, but they forgot that deal. Yeah. They was about to put everything down, sitting on that ground. So I ain't got to redo everything, but well, put all that stuff down. Where you going for lunch? My boy.
Do you want to buy me a lunch?
Mama's finest.
Yeah.
Yeah. Free refill.
Free refill.
Not free refill.
Even the food, I don't even know how they stay open.
Your brother's the man.
He they best customer.
That's good.
They're the best.
TV, video games, Wi-Fi.
Everything, huh?
Want to take a
Got
nap?
to eat, got a tub.
With the shower head.
Free bath.
All right.
Cap right there.
I think somebody take it home, bro.
He said, oh, what Kayla did? I think Kayla might have posted that cat.
You think?
I don't
It was
know.
something dead in the road, and it was buzzing on it, and like she was
All right.
and that shit was like in the road.
Right on.
Like, she tried
Let
to
me
take
see.
off, right?
Uh-huh.
And she hit one of them motherfuckers that cracked up fucking windshield.
Hell yeah, that motherfucker's dangerous.
You don't say that, bro.
Get the deal. You get the deal face?
Yeah, right there.
This thing is a break loose.
Oh. I will show you how. Pretty straight, bro. Yeah. Okay. Put it right now, the hot wire.
Oh shit.
The hot right here. Put this one.
This one?
Yeah.
Pull that.
Okay, when I show you, you're gonna pull this one. See the
This
brake. Not
Yeah.
right now. Hold on. Yeah. Pull more right through and play the pump. Right there. Okay, pull it. Try to spin the tire, bro. Can you do it? Try it. Slap. Release. There you go. Right on. That's it. I mean, they're working pretty good right
Yep.
now. Like I say, I mean, the sooner you can, just replace the brakes.
Yep.
Yeah, I mean, because the brake is in back
Yep.
shape.
I
Make sure both sides open and see what's going on about that. And like, I mean, the axle, he don't have any issue. I mean, the axle is in good shape.
Okay.
I mean, just only the hubs is the one that are getting like broken down. So, but.